Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to simulate RC high pass filter on Proteus. I have allocated the required components on the left side. I'm gonna start by connecting my AC voltage source right over here. Then the capacitor is going to be connected in series to the voltage source. I'm gonna rotate it and connect it via wire. Then I'm gonna use my resistor, which is going to be in series with the capacitor. I'm gonna connect them together, and the other side goes to the ground, which is right over here. So for the values, the capacitor is going to be at 1 microfarad and resistor, let's say 1 kilo ohm. Now I'm gonna bring it a little bit down in the middle. Now it's better. So I'm going to connect my oscilloscope. I'm going to go to the instruments, click on the oscilloscope and put it right above here. The first channel is going to be connected to the input signal, which is going to be an AC voltage source. And the second channel is going to be connected between the node of the capacitor and resistor. The channel A is going to be my input signal coming from the AC voltage source, and channel B is gonna give me the output signal of this circuit. So I have calculated the cutoff frequency using this formula, which is at 160 Hz. At this frequency, the output signal is gonna be attenuated at 70% in ratio to the input signal. So I'm gonna click on AC power supply. I'm gonna set the amplitude to 2 volts peak to peak and frequency of 160 Hz, which is going to be my cutoff frequency. I'm gonna hit OK. Then I'm gonna start the simulation. So right now we are on oscilloscope. Let's change the voltage per division to 1 volt per division for the first channel, and for the second channel 1 volt per division. Then I'm gonna line them up together. Perfect. So as you can see, my input signal is going to be a sine wave with the voltage of 2 volts peak to peak coming from the function generator, AC power supply, and the blue signal is now attenuated at 70%. So right now our high pass filter works perfectly. It passes high frequencies than the cutoff frequency and block the lower frequencies of the cutoff frequency.